Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to self-install Spectrum Internet. So do you have your Spectrum self-installation kit and ready to get online? So let us set it up step by step, quickly and easily. Alright guys, so just for the reference I'm going to have this page open, and alongside of this I'll explain you with the steps. So firstly, of course, unbox your kit. Inside your Spectrum kit you'll find a modem, a router, power cables, a coax cable and a Ethernet cable. Make sure everything's included before starting. After that guys, just be sure to find a right spot. Pick a spot near a cable outlet with a good ventilation and a central location for the best Wi-Fi coverage. Guys, after that you are ready basically to connect the modem. Connect the end of the coaxial cable to your wall outlet and the other to your modem. Then plug the modem into a power outlet. Wait a few minutes for the online indicator light to turn on. Don't forget, it has to be solid. Set up the router. Use the Ethernet cable to connect your modem to your router. Plug in the router's power cable and wait for the lights to stabilize. Okay, you can also read the guide if you want to. As you can see, you can download the instructions, but let us move on with the tutorial. Now it's time to activate your service. Open a browser on a connected device and go to spectrum.net/self-install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. It's no hassle whatsoever. And after this, basically you're ready to connect your devices. Look for your Wi-Fi network name and password on the router's label. Use these details to connect your devices to the internet. And my friends, this is it. Now your Spectrum Internet is set up and running. Enjoy your seamless internet online experience. Guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time.